Yo, what's good, guys? Today we took a beautiful trade. We made 700 bucks. Not too much, but not too little. It's pretty good. 700 on the day. Um, on the ICT silver bullet strategy. So I'm gonna go through that as a trade recap and show you guys exactly how I entered, what I did, what my thought process was, and basically, hopefully, you guys can learn from this. This is basically a tutorial as well on how do I enter an ICT silver bullet. But yeah. So, anyways. I woke up a little late today. I was supposed to wake up at 9:30, but I missed this trade over here, and I ended up waking up at like 9:50. So at like around 9:55, we started marking out things. So I actually noticed that there was a liquidity sweep, sorry, not sweep, liquidity drawn up here because of the 9:30 a.m. market open session, and then right after that, it swept this old liquidity down here, which is kind of odd to me. Like, I ended up taking this as a new low, so as the old low, and this as a new low. So I was like, you know what, fuck it. This is the liquidity down here. But then I ended up just marking both. Okay, just to be safe, because I woke up a little late. I was like, okay, let's just act like we're gonna trade the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. session. It's okay, not a big deal. So as I marked those out, I put my lines up, vertical lines at 10 a.m. and a vertical line at 11. All right. So if we play price on, we could see that later on there you go, swept liquidity up top. And I was like, okay, so now we're gonna enter short. Daily bias is not needed. Doesn't matter if you're bullish or bearish on the daily bias. Just stay on the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame, and you're all good. I'll just make sure you target opposing liquidity, or at least minimum 15 handles. And yeah, so we play price on and we wait for a market structure shift. So price created a market structure for us over here. This is a market structure. So a candle has to break this point for it to be a valid market structure shift. And then we can enter later on. So we're gonna keep playing price on, and there we go. So as you can see, the candle did break under this line. It closed under, and it created a fair value gap with a displacement. So you guys can see, I'm gonna grab my rectangle tool and mark out this candle as a fair value gap. So anywhere between this box is our entry, okay? So play price on, and boom, our entry was here. We're gonna grab our short position, and we're gonna target around maybe, again, minimum 15 handles. I wasn't too comfortable with this trade because it really was it was a Monday, and price was consolidating. It wasn't having good price action. Price was doing random things. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna target the minimum 15 to 20 handles. So I did. I put 16 handles just to make sure it's at least a 1-to-1 risk to reward. And I did put my stop loss on the opposing liquidity. If we play price on, you can see that it did smash our take profit, and this was a quick, like 650 bucks, which same thing, 700 bucks. I said in the beginning of the video, but 650, same thing, and that was literally a quick take profit. After that, I knew I should take price. I knew I should have taken my profits, because look what happened later. It just completely got taken out. So putting my take profit down here is definitely worth it. Again, I never trade on Mondays, but today I just felt like I was missing out so much on last week that I was just itching to trade, even though I should have just stayed patient. But at least I made some money today, and I'm not complaining. But that's basically the ICT silver bullet. This was a quick, very, very quick video, very quick recap, because today there wasn't really much price action. There wasn't really much to talk about. And plus, you guys already know the ICT silver bullet. Everyone knows it. And it was just a quick little summary of today's trade. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.